In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hibernate your LinkedIn account. Perhaps you're looking to take a break from the professional networking scene, or maybe you just want some time away from the platform. Whatever your reasons, hibernating your LinkedIn account can be a great way to step back while maintaining your connections for when you're ready to return. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the LinkedIn website by typing linkedin.com into your web browser's address bar. Once you're there, proceed to sign into your account using your usual login credentials. It might be helpful to verify that you're logging into the correct account if you manage multiple profiles. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see your LinkedIn profile icon. Give it a click. This is your entry point to access a range of account settings. After you click on the icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section is where you'll manage many aspects of your account, ensuring your profile aligns comfortably with your preferences. Within the Settings and Privacy section, you want to locate Account Preferences. This area is integral for personalizing how your account interacts with the platform. Now, prepare to scroll down a bit through the Account Preferences section. It's important to move through this section leisurely to ensure you don't miss the particular options you're looking for. As you scroll, you'll come across the option titled Hibernate Account. Clicking on this will open up a sub-menu specifically dedicated to temporarily pausing your account. This is a significant step, as hibernating your account doesn't delete it, but simply puts it into a dormant state. After selecting Hibernate Account, you'll need to click on Hibernate to finalize the process. It's worth noting that LinkedIn might ask for confirmation or an additional step to ensure you truly intend to hibernate your account. This is designed to prevent accidental hibernation of active accounts. And there you have it, your account is now hibernated, meaning it's hidden from public view, and you won't be receiving notifications or other LinkedIn interactions until you decide to reactivate it. Reactivating is just as straightforward as logging back into your account when you're ready to dive back in. Thank you for following along in today's tutorial. If at any point you need more help or wish to review these steps, feel free to replay the video or leave comments with any additional questions. Enjoy your time away, and we'll see you again when you're ready to return to LinkedIn.